Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Capium Accounting Suite. Review my usage experience. Capium Accounting Suite, judging by the name, appears to be an accounting software suite designed for small businesses and freelancers. It likely offers features like invoice generation, expense tracking, financial reporting, and potentially integration with other business tools. Their website provides details on the full feature set and pricing plans. It aims to streamline accounting processes and provide users with a clearer picture of their finances. Capium positions itself as a user-friendly and affordable accounting solution. Their website emphasizes ease of use and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees. They highlight the intuitive interface and robust reporting capabilities as key selling points. Availability is likely online, and you can check their website for more details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Capium Accounting Suite. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The setup process took less than 15 minutes, and their onboarding tutorial was really helpful. The interface is clean and intuitive. I quickly learned how to create invoices, categorize expenses, and generate reports. I particularly appreciated the customizable dashboards. I was able to tailor it to show the metrics most important to my business, like outstanding invoices and monthly profit. The software performed flawlessly throughout my testing period. It was fast and reliable, never crashing or experiencing any significant lag. I had a quick question about integrating with my bank, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated expense categorization. It saved me a ton of time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing things on the go would be more convenient. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for generating custom reports, but the documentation helped clarify things. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Capium. It generally met my needs and significantly simplified my accounting tasks. That's my overview of Capium Accounting Suite. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.